How to mount and upgrade your bike with a Lightmove SE150. Mount the bracket to the light. Take the reflector and slide in between the light and bracket and fix with the bolt. Route the cable on the back side of the bracket and fix with a cable tie. After removing the old light, mount the Lightmove SE150 to the forks. Fix it and check the correct position. Check the right cable length and cut the old and new cable to need. Slide a 4:1 8mm heat shrink tube over the cable and cut the isolated wires around 11mm on both sides. For easy and quick connection, use the Lightmove CT22 connector and fix with pliers. Slide the heat shrink tube over the cable and shrink. Remove the left crank and the motor cover. Prepare the Bosch front and rear light cable. Remove the sealing caps from the front and rear light ports. Check the different plugs for front and rear. Slide in and make sure it is fixed. Route cables as needed. Close the motor cover and mount the crank.